Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change logo in Shopify theme. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll need to start from the Shopify homepage. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of the menu and locate the Online Store option. Click on it. This will bring up a list of options where you'll see themes. Next, find the Customize button. It'll be right next to your current theme. Clicking on Customize opens up the theme editor. Once inside the theme editor, focus your attention on the header section. Look for and click on Header. In the header section, scroll down to find Theme Settings. Clicking on this will give you different options related to the overall design and layout features for the theme you're working on. Under these settings, you'll have a logo area where you can make your change. Now it's time to choose your new logo. There will be a button labeled Select, which allows you to upload a file. Clicking on Select will present you with a few options. You can either choose an existing file already uploaded or add a new file from your device. This action will prompt a dialog box to open, allowing you to browse through your device. Navigate to where your new logo file is saved and select it. Make sure that your file is in a suitable format like JPEG or PNG, and that it follows the size recommendations provided by Shopify for optimal display quality. After selecting your new logo file, click on Done to save the changes. This will update your store's header with the new logo. And that's it. So that is how you can change logo in Shopify theme. So that's all for this video. Thanks.